two ancient ingredients, one buried with pharaohs for eternal vitality, the other drunk by Aztec emperors, up to 50 cups a day. When modern science combined them, the results surprised everyone. This simple drink may help open your arteries and support stronger, stiffer erections. It's called the King's Tonic, and today I'm showing you exactly how to make it at home. Beyond the bedroom, it may help lower blood pressure, support healthy testosterone, and calm inflammation. I'm Kelly. Save this one. Let's dive in. In ancient Egypt, pomegranate wasn't just fruit, it was sacred. Pharaohs were buried with it because healers believed it held the secret to virility and lasting life force. North African and Middle Eastern traditions gave pomegranate tonics to newlyweds of Passam. Meanwhile, across the ocean, Aztec Emperor Montezuma drank up to 50 cups of bitter cacao daily before visiting his harem. Cacao was so powerful they used the beans as currency. Warriors drank it before battle. Two distant civilizations, both turning to these ingredients for strength and vitality. What they sensed instinctively, we now understand through science. It comes down to one key molecule, nitric oxide. This is what tells your blood vessels to relax and open for healthy flow. Inside every blood vessel is a delicate lining called the endothelium, like living wallpaper. When it's healthy, it produces nitric oxide, so blood flows freely to your heart, brain, and yes, to support erections. As we age or face inflammation, that lining gets damaged. Nitric oxide drops. Vessels stiffen and narrow. That's when you may first notice changes in performance. Both pomegranate and high flavanol cacao are among nature's strongest nitric oxide supporters. Ancient people saw the results. We now see the mechanism. Researchers studied the Kuna Indians who drank several cups of flavanol-rich cacao daily. They had almost no high blood pressure or heart disease until they moved to cities and stopped the habit. I'm Kelly. What I share is nutritional information to empower you, never medical advice. Always consult your doctor before making changes, especially if you take blood pressure or heart medications. Your erection is like a weather forecast for your cardiovascular system. The tiny vessels down there are only 1 to 2 millimeters wide. Heart arteries are wider. Problems often show here first. Erectile difficulties can appear 3 to 5 years before a heart event. Supporting healthy blood flow isn't just about the bedroom, it's about your whole body future. In one study, flavanol-rich cacao improved blood flow within hours, effects similar to some nitrate supplements or blood pressure medications. After just 14 days of cocoa flavanols, men aged 50 to 80 showed arterial flexibility comparable to people 20 to 30 years younger. That's powerful. Pomegranate shines too. In a Queen Margaret University study, pure pomegranate juice for 2 weeks raised salivary testosterone by an average of 24% in both men and women. When researchers combined cacao seed extract with pomegranate, a gold standard trial showed free testosterone increased by 48% in aging men, plus better strength and energy. Together they work from multiple angles. Cacao boosts nitric oxide and opens vessels, while pomegranate helps repair the endothelium and supports testosterone. The combination creates compounding effects you don't get from either alone. Food really can be powerful medicine when used wisely. This tonic may support flexible arteries, better blood flow, healthy testosterone, lower blood pressure, sharper thinking, and reduced inflammation, all in one delicious drink. Benefits appeared in healthy people and those already dealing with hypertension, diabetes, or heart concerns. Still, results vary. Listen to your body. If this excites you, subscribe and turn on notifications. I share practical, science-backed ways to support your health every week. Now let's make the King's Tonic. Use high flavanol organic cacao powder, not processed cocoa with added sugar. Processed versions lose the beneficial flavanols. Step 1. Put 1 teaspoon of organic cacao in a mug. Add a small amount of warm, not boiling, water to dissolve it gently and protect the flavanols. Step 2. Add about 2 ounces, a quarter cup, of pure cold-pressed pomegranate juice. Look for the deep crimson kind with no added sugar. Step 3. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey for natural sweetness and extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Skip it if you're strictly managing blood sugar. Optional, a tiny pinch of sea salt or chili flakes. That's it, the King's Tonic. Drink it 3 to 4 times a week, preferably on an empty stomach. Start slow if your stomach is sensitive. Cacao has some caffeine. Separate it from coffee by a couple hours if you're sensitive. Always check with your doctor first. Your arteries and performance run on the same system. Fix the flow, support your heart and confidence. I'm Kelly. Thank you for watching. Take good care, and I'll see you next time.